Got a real nice Bridgeport Series 1, 2 horsepower. Got it behind other machines right now, so I have to film it this way, but that's all original paint, and the paint's good on the whole machine. The table's real nice with the flaking marks down the whole way. Put a nice Curt 3200V vise on it. The chrome is real good. Both sides, sharp in the middle. It's got rubber weight covers on, front and back. Got an accurate digital readout. Works fine. See the scraper marks on the table, they're all nice and sharp. Serial number 273195. RPM, that's at 3,300. That's at 1,200. That's at low speed.